Want it to work. Oh. Well, that could have woken up the baby. Okay, in case it didn't make much sense in the dark, here's our problem. Our problem is this closet door, which squeaks. When I say squeaks, enough squeaking for you? Now, while that's annoying, the real problem is the fact that that closet door right there is right next to that baby's room right there. And at 4 in the morning, 5 in the morning when I'm going to work some days, I have to open that closet to get my coat in the morning. And on more than one occasion, that's woken up Lincoln. So we're going to rectify that. And this might seem a little more simplistic than you'd normally think, but hey, it's worthy of a video. So what we're going to use here is just some normal wheel bearing and chassis grease, so just grease. This one's from Napa. I think all grease containers end up like this with a crack in the lid over time, and they all get really disgusting and dirty. But yeah, there you go. And so we're going to take this, and we're going to take a paper towel, and Lincoln's going to watch because he's interested in learning how to do this too. And we are going to go on the inside because, yeah, so for this closet, let me just show you here, this closet, I think you can see that. The tracks are on the inside, and the door is hung there with a wheel or set of wheels that just kind of sit inside the track. And over time, those lose their grease, and yeah, they start squeaking a whole bunch. So let's go ahead and put you guys back here, and I'm going to grease the paper towel, and Lincoln is staring intently at me. He's like, "Daddy, what are you doing?" We're just going to run this grease on the inside of the track here. You want to be careful not to get your finger, like you don't want to touch your finger to the track. One, because the track's dirty, but two, because it's also kind of sharp. And so that was for the outside track. So for the door on this side. And then for the inside track, which is the door that stays on that side most of the time, I'm doing that one now on this side. So you get the grease in there, and then just run it back and forth a couple times. Do the other side, just for thoroughness. And get that grease in there good. Alright. And that goes a lot smoother now too, so you gotta be careful not to slam the door open or closed. But no more squeakiness. If we take this one all the way over here, same thing. And I've had to do this before. I'll probably have to do it again every couple of years. It just needs to be re-greased because the grease gets dirty over time, and it falls out over time, or it gets pushed to the edges over time. And you just need to do a new grease job. So there you go. Easy fix it. What does Lincoln think of, think that was a good thing, Link? You gonna sleep a little better now? Yeah? Okay. Well, that's all for today. Hopefully you guys got some use out of that, and we'll talk to y'all next time.